Most people think they need hard, complicated routines to get better mobility. Here are 3 simple exercises that improve posture, mobility, flexibility, and stiffness. The trick is to pick something you can do every single day. For example, use it as your morning movement so you can start your day feeling good and full of energy. Try this for 30 days and tell me how your body changes. The first exercise helps open up your whole back leg chain and improves how deep you can squat. For this one, if a deep squat is tough, you can roll your mat under your heel. Start in a forward fold, then lower your hips down into a squat. Take your hands off the floor, look forward, lift your hips up, and straighten your knees while keeping a slight bend to protect the knee. Then lower back down. Hands stay off the floor. Do 10 reps like this. Hips up, up, and down. You'll notice each rep helps you sink a little deeper into the stretch, building trust in that range so your body can naturally open up more over time. 3 more, 2 more. One last one. The second exercise is a lizard lunge with a twist. This one opens up your hips, which matters a lot since most of us sit for long stretches during the day. Hips need opening because of this. We add the twist because it also gives your upper spine a nice stretch. Do 5 reps on each side. Lift up, come back to center, press your hips forward, look ahead, and raise your fingertips up. Then return to center. Breathe in through your nose, out through your nose. Repeat 2 more times on both sides. Daily movement doesn't have to be complicated. Staying consistent matters more than going hard. Then come back to center. The third exercise is the crab thrust. This move works wonders for fixing your posture. Push your hips up into a crab position while pressing your shoulders down. Do 10 reps. Lift up, lower your hips, lift up again. When we sit too much, our upper back rounds forward, and over time it gets harder to fix that posture unless we do something about it daily. That's why opening moves like this one are so great as part of a daily habit. Good posture comes naturally when your muscles and skeleton are working well together, so your posture shapes itself around what you do every day. 1 more rep, then lower your hips down. Now hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments how these 3 mobility moves make you feel and share how 30 days of doing them changed things for you. Check the description to join my community. See you in the next video.